What is TCP/IP? TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, and is a suite of communication protocols used to interconnect network devices on the Internet. TCP/IP is also used as a communications protocol in a private computer network, an intranet or extranet. The entire IP suite, a set of rules and procedures, is commonly referred to as TCP/IP. TCP and IP are the two main protocols, though others are included in the suite. The TCP/IP protocol suite functions as an abstraction layer between Internet applications and the routing and switching fabric. TCP/IP specifies how data is exchanged over the Internet by providing end-to-end communications that identify how it should be broken into packets, addressed, transmitted, routed and received at the destination. TCP/IP requires little central management and is designed to make networks reliable with the ability to recover automatically from the failure of any device on the network. The two main protocols in the IP suite serve specific functions. TCP defines how applications can create channels of communication across a network. It also manages how a message is assembled into smaller packets before they are then transmitted over the Internet and reassembled in the right order at the destination address. IP defines how to address and route each packet to make sure it reaches the right destination. Each gateway computer on the network checks this IP address to determine where to forward the message. A subnet mask tells a computer, or other network device, what portion of the IP address is used to represent the network and what part is used to represent hosts, or other computers, on the network. Network Address Translation, NAT, is the virtualization of IP addresses. NAT helps improve security and decrease the number of IP addresses an organization needs. Common TCP/IP protocols include the following. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, handles the communication between a web server and a web browser. HTTP Secure handles secure communication between a web server and a web browser. File Transfer Protocol handles transmission of files between computers. How does TCP/IP work? TCP/IP uses the client-server model of communication in which a user or a machine, a client, is provided a service, like sending a web page, by another computer, a server, in the network. Collectively, the TCP/IP suite of protocols is classified as stateless, which means each client request is considered new because it is unrelated to previous requests. Being stateless frees up network paths so they can be used continuously. The transport layer itself, however, is stateful. It transmits a single message, and its connection remains in place until all the packets and a message have been received and reassembled at the destination. The TCP/IP model differs slightly from the 7-layer Open Systems Interconnection (OSI) networking model designed after it. The ISA reference model defines how applications can communicate over a network.